It's not easy for pain to go away, but pain does bring us together. And Konyak people, you are born warriors. And when you're born warriors, action speaks louder than words. But the way that you have retaliated shows the foundation of Christ in you. And I'm reminded of the story. I was with the Amish community. In fact, the shirt that I'm wearing is from the Native Americans, the original people of the USA, where Columbus called them Red Indians. But there's another community called the Amish community. And there was a man, Charles, who went and killed 5 children in that particular school. And you know what the Amish community did was they went and buried the children. And the next day, because this man, after killing everyone, those kids, he went and he killed himself. But this Amish community went and buried their children. The next day, they went to the wife of this man who was the killer and went to the funeral of this man who killed their own children. And later on, they collected the money and they went and supported the children of this murderer. Now that is only possible when we have Jesus in us. Because with our human strength, we want to retaliate, we want to take revenge. That is part of the way we live in this world. I remember when I was sitting with Auntie Gladys Staines, I was having tea with her and it was just, I told her, Auntie, how could you forgive the ones who murdered your husband and your 2 children? How did you get the strength to forgive? Because first thing when the reporters came, and she just responded back by saying, I forgive them. I asked her, how could you forgive when somebody so brutally killed your own kith and kin? And her response was, Benny, as a Christian, I have no choice but to forgive. Because that is what God has called us. And Konyak people, I want to tell you that your lifestyle, your response will become the foundation for the world to know that this is how the world can find peace.